and gentlemen, myself, Dr. Usha Ishwaran, 1985 to 89 Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering batch, and I'm extremely happy to welcome you all for our 6th OITA International Convention. The theme of this year's event is Revive, Relish and Rejoice. Revive the spirit of an alumni, relish the fond memories of yesteryears, and rejoice the moments with friends and alumni. This is a flagship event of our Alumni Association that unites all the alumni university alumni from across the world. We hope and desire that lost friends meet again, forge new connections, and also galvanize and strengthen existing bonds. We will be having eminent and successful personalities address in this convention, and it is our sincere hope that each one of you would be able to invigorate yourself through these interactions. Today's program shall commence with an invocation song. May I request all of you to kindly stand up for the invocation song.
கருவாக்கி உருவாக்கி எதையாண்டு காத்தருளும் இறைவா நன்றி. எங்கும் நிறைந்தோனே, எல்லை இராதானே, எங்கேயும் எப்போதும் என் குலம் காப்பவனே. நெஞ்சம் துணிய துணையாய் வருவாய், நேர்மறை உணர்வுகள் பெருகிடச் செய்வாய். உடலில் உறுதியை பெரிதாய் தருவாய், உனை உணரும் அறிவை என்னுள் தருள்வாய். சுற்றமனைத்தும் காப்பவரே, செய்தொழிலின் ஏற்றம் தருபவரே, எடுத்த செயலில் வெற்றி கொடு, என் ஆற்றல் பெருகிட அருளை கொடு. கருவாக்கி உருவாக்கி எதையாண்டு காத்தருளும் இறைவா நன்றி. வல்லமை தந்து நீ வளர்ச்சி கொடு, அகத்திலும் புறத்திலும் வளர்ச்சி கொடு. வளர்ச்சி கொடு, வளர்ச்சி கொடு, வளர்ச்சி கொடு, வளர்ச்சி கொடு.
Thank you. Let us now take up the traditional lighting of the lamp to mark commencement of the auspicious occasion. May I call upon the dignitaries to kindly light the lamp. Thank you. If there is someone who walks, talks, breathes Oita, it's our beloved President, Sri Muthu Sethuraman. He is one of the few who has connectivity across batches from the 50s to the 2010s and is respected by one and all across batches. May I now call upon Sri Muthu Sethuraman, ITO President, to present the welcome address to this august gathering.
On behalf of ITA, I welcome our Annamalai University current Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Murugesan, ITA founder members, Professor Dr. Sadiq, Mr. Ravindranath, and senior members of ITA and my friends of ITA to the inauguration of the 6th International Virtual Convention. Friends, good evening to all of you and welcome you all for this great convention. As you know, ITA, one of the oldest engineering alumni in India. Actually, it is a 45 years old. And it is our 6th international convention. This year is special because many international alumni are joining in this event since it is being held virtual. We have a number of elite speakers in the field of engineering, organic farming, IT, management, and leadership who will be speaking on many interesting topics, and I am sure that you will love and enjoy their speeches. As a president of ITA, I request each one of you to become the life member of ITA and to increase your network. This will be beneficial both personally and professionally. On behalf of ITA, I request you to be a part of the convention and make it in big success. Thank you very much.
Our next speaker is Dr. Murugesan Velayudham, Vice Chancellor of Annamalai University, an eminent educationist who is most sought after as an advisor at all the major education bodies of the country. His association as an expert with statutory bodies such as UGC, AICTE, DST, CSIR, TNSC, and ST, and Science City spans over many decades. We are immensely thankful to you, sir. May I now request our Vice Chancellor of Annamalai University to address the gathering.
Good evening, distinguished alumni who are taking the flag of Annamalai University, the length and breadth of the globe. Honorable former Vice Chancellor Professor Sadiq, other dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. It's my honor and privilege to participate in the 6th International Virtual Convention, which is going to be held for 2 days, and the eminent speakers are going to discuss on various topics in the IT field, management, entrepreneurship, and other areas. As pointed out by the comparer in the beginning, I would like to quote only one thing here for the benefit of our distinguished alumni. A brilliant quote. No one in this world is rich enough to buy his own childhood and youth. Only friends help to recreate those moments from time to time at no cost. So, only these memories of your 20 years or 21 years at Annamalai University, which you can cherish only with your own friends, and it cannot be purchased by any amount of money. That is the quote. You cannot buy your youth by paying any amount of money. Even the billionaire of Amazon cannot buy his youth. Similarly, we cannot buy, but today all of you will be at least 5 to 10 years younger than what you are. Because I could see when Mr. Sitaraman and Jayaraman, they are joining and they are cherishing their memories. See, this is the very purpose of alumni get-together, and more than that, this particular Annamalai University Alumni Association, AITA, is in addition to recreational opportunities, they are also discussing and debating and also conducting conventions which are going to be very useful for the next generation. If you are going to discuss about artificial intelligence or machine learning or big data analytics or entrepreneurship or how to take up startups, similarly management areas like business analytics or any other topic, even the construction industry transformed or it has undergone paradigm shift. If you can take one or two topics on the construction industry also, and similarly the chemical industries, if you say the chemical industry being a chemistry man, it has gone a tremendous amount of change. Completely it has become automated chemical industries as well as petrochemical industries. I am sure this International Virtual Convention will deliberate and discuss all these topics which will be very useful not only for the workers in the field but also for the younger generation to think about new ideas and innovative ideas. With this, I congratulate the organizers for organizing such a very important topic on virtual international convention, and this is being the 6th convention, and I understand the topics are very, very novel, very innovative and very interesting to all the participants. I also came to understand that more than 2,000 participants will be taking part in this international convention, though it is virtually, but it is the order of the day after the pandemic. So with this, I once again wish you all the best for the 6th international convention, and I am sure this will be very fruitful and the deliberations are going to be much useful. My only request to the organizers, if you can bring out all these things in the form of the deliberations which are happening, should be documented and it should be circulated to the younger generation so that the discussions by Sitaraman as well as the other Mr. Jayaraman, if you because they are going to share their rich experience over 30-40 years, which will be an eye-opener for the youngsters. That is my only ambition, even if it is a very short gist of the speaker's material, that will be very useful. With this, I thank you all for giving me an opportunity to speak before the distinguished alumni as well as in this 6th International Virtual Convention. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your enlightening speech, sir. Dr. Sadiq is an eminent educationist, former director of MIT Crumpet, former vice chancellor of Madras University, and currently advisor to numerous technical institutions. Incidentally, he began his career as a lecturer in Annamalai University, and in due course of time, he moved on to other eminent institutions. Dr. Sadiq also is one of the founders of AITA, and he, along with a few others, took great pains in creating this organization that we are celebrating today. They labored hard to form AITA in the year 1975, when communicating was by itself a huge task. It is indeed fitting that the 6th AITA International Convention commences in his august presence. We are indeed fortunate to have you here, sir. May I now request Dr. Sadiq to address the gathering.
தில்லை பதியுடையான் சிற்றம்பலம் தன்னில் அல்லும் பகலும் என்று ஆடுகின்றான். எல்லை கண் அண்ணாமலைமன் அமைத்த கலைக்கழகம் கண்ணார கண்டு கழித்து. We are also now Kannara Kandu. We are happy. My dear Dr. Murugesan, the Vice Chancellor, the present Vice Chancellor of the Great Annamalai University, of which all of us are students. Our engineering first batch was in 49, so it subtract 4 years. So we came into being earlier in 45 or so. But the university came into being in 1929, emanating from the Meenakshi College. That was the first institution there. Our Raja wanted to start in Madurai some institution, but later he changed his mind to come to Chidambaram. AITA was started, as it was mentioned, initiated in 1975, but in 1976, January 10th, about 2 weeks before, it was inaugurated formally with Raja Muttiah Chettiar and the permanent syndicate member MP Damodaran, and at that time, our alumni, Banduti Ramachandran. These were the 3 people, very important people. No doubt, our first president was